In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Malayalam in Windows using Manglish. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works smoothly across different applications such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, and Google Chrome. You don't need a physical Malayalam keyboard or advanced technical knowledge. As long as you can type using English letters, you'll be able to write proper Malayalam text in just a few minutes. To get started, make sure you are using a Windows computer with an active internet connection. Open your preferred web browser and search for a Manglish to Malayalam typing tool. These tools allow you to type Malayalam words using English letters, which are then automatically converted into Malayalam script. Once the site loads, you'll usually see a typing box where you can begin entering text. Click inside the typing area and start typing Malayalam words using English spelling. As you type, the tool will instantly convert your input into Malayalam characters. Take your time and type naturally. If a word doesn't convert correctly, you can slightly adjust the spelling until the correct Malayalam word appears. This step helps you become more familiar with how Manglish typing works. Once your Malayalam text is ready, select the converted text and copy it. Now you can paste this text into different applications depending on where you want to use it. If you're working in Microsoft Word, open your document and paste the text directly onto the page. The Malayalam characters will display correctly, and you can format them just like regular text by changing the font size, alignment, or spacing. If you want to use Malayalam in Notepad, open Notepad and paste the copied text. Notepad supports Unicode text, so the Malayalam characters will appear correctly without any extra setup. This is useful for saving notes, drafts, or simple text files in Malayalam. For typing Malayalam in Chrome, simply paste the text into any supported text field, such as email drafts, online forms, or social media posts. The pasted Malayalam text will display correctly as long as the website supports Unicode, which most modern websites do. As a helpful tip, you can keep the Manglish typing tool open in one tab while working in Word, Notepad, or Chrome in another. This makes it easy to switch back and forth whenever you need to type more Malayalam text. With a bit of practice, Manglish typing becomes fast and accurate. That's all there is to it. You can now type Malayalam in Windows using Manglish across multiple applications with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.